Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to open bank account online on First Citizens Bank. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for First Citizens Bank. Click on this first website over here. So over here, we can see this option called open a checking account. So let's tap on this. Choose your interest and simply click on next. Now we need to enter our personal details first. Once you are done with this, we need to enter our contact details, date of birth, social security number, and all of the information asked here. And enter your address details as well and simply click on next. After this, we need to enter our financial, that is employment details, and we need to provide our identity details as well. And we also need to submit our identity cards. After all of these steps are completed, our account will finally be created. So that is all we can do to open bank account of First Citizens Bank online. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.